Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing, and this is for the month of February. So, just some things right off the bat. So this box weighs 0.95 pounds, so less than 1 pound. When we open it up, this is what it looks like. And I got version number 3. So I'm excited. I did read the card a little bit ago just so I can make sure what makeup I could have on and what I couldn't have on, and I can't have any makeup on just to try out some of the products. So this is where we are. But this month's theme is called Afterglow. I'm excited. It's going to be a very glowy month. I am oily, so hopefully some of these products I can still use because I do like a dewy effect, but usually my skin does that job for me. So without further ado, let's jump into this box. So I'm just going to pull some products out, show them to you, and then later on in the video, we're going to try everything on. We're going to start off with this one right here, and this is the No Problem, like problem, but Pore Primer, and this is from Touch in Soul. So this retails for $18. This is a really cute packaging. I love the pink. It's very, me. I like it. So moving on to the next product. We have this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So I actually just ran out of the previous facial cleanser they gave us, which I believe was Pharmacy as well, which I loved. So I'm excited to try this one. This retails for $22. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind, which is perfect because I have really sensitive skin. So I am going to try a very little bit at first and then work my way up to see how my skin reacts, and I'll give you guys an update on that. Alright, moving on. So let's get into this lippy. This is the Trestique Lippy, and this is a primer and lip crayon in one. So you basically open this side, which I believe is magnetic because it closed pretty nicely. So this is the lippy side, and then this right here, this little color part, is the primer. That's cool. This retails for $25. So this is a very nice color, especially since it's still winter, so you're into like those darker colors. So I can get some use out of this. Moving right along to our fourth product, which is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And I've heard so many amazing things about this. It's literally one of the biggest mascaras. I think it's one of the #1 best-selling mascaras, but I've never tried it, and I'm excited. This retails for $24. There's so many people that rave about this mascara, and I've never tried it, so now's my chance. And for the last product in this month's box, a Pretty Vulgar highlighter, and this retails for $32. It's a very champagne-y highlight, and if you know me, you know I love a good highlight. I love a good highlight. So we're gonna put this one to the test. Alright, so that is it for this month's box for the products, but now we're gonna get on to testing them. So let's get started. Alright, so we're just gonna start off with the first product, which is the primer from Touch in Soul. I'm just gonna put a little bit onto my finger, rub that in. It has a very gel-like consistency. Alright, so now that that is massaged into my face, I definitely don't feel it oily or sticky or anything like that. It kind of just set a nice moisturized foundation, I guess. And I'm liking it so far. So we'll see how this acts with my foundation. I'm going to quickly put on some foundation and all that good stuff, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back, and I have my makeup on. As of right now, this primer is working real nice. It definitely has my foundation looking super smooth, and I've noticed that my pores look a lot smaller. Since I have oily skin, I do have enlarged pores, and it does take some working with to get them to look smaller, but it's a lot smoother than it normally is. So we're gonna jump in with this Pretty Vulgar highlight in Shimmering Swan. So for those of you that like a nice glowy highlight, this is definitely the highlight for you. This is really, really pretty. I'm just gonna spray my brush really quick because if you know me, you know I like a blinding highlight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm digging it. I like that. And when you wet it, that is blinding. I don't know how it looks in the camera, but right here, it looks really good. So I'm just gonna pop that into my inner corner and my brow bone really quick. Now that my face has some dimension to it and I am glowing, we are going to move on to my favorite part. I'm so excited. We're gonna move on to the Better Than Sex Mascara. I'm going to curl my lashes because I have some pretty straight lashes. So let's do that. Give this mascara a fair chance. Alright, so this is the difference between one eye with mascara on and without. So what do you guys think? I think it's doing a pretty good job. Alright guys, that's it. I'm a part of the hype. This is amazing. I love this mascara so much. Alright, last product that I can try on because clearly I can't try this one on the facial cleanser, but I will get back to you on that. So we're going to go in with the primer and lip crayon. So we're just going to take the primer side. So that, it feels kind of waxy, I would say. Okay, so this is in the shade English Rose. So I am really, really liking this color. It is a bit on the sheer side, which I'm okay with if you want to wear it for like just a regular day out and not like a full glam type thing. I mean, it can also be pulled off for a full glam, but I would be very careful just because this does glide. You can definitely see it does transfer, so be careful. So this is a lip crayon, so I would be expecting that from a product like this, but I do like it overall. I think I would get some use out of this, especially for days that I'm not going for such a full glam look and I won't layer it up as much. I would just kind of just do one pass and leave it alone. I know it doesn't necessarily match my eye look, but it's okay. Everything will be fine. It's okay. Alright guys, that is it for this month's box. I'm super excited for all of these products. I am going to get a lot of use out of them. I can feel it already. I think they killed it. This box came out to a total of $121 worth of products, which is insane because you pay only $21 a month, which is less than this mascara alone. So if you guys aren't a part of Boxycharm, I don't know what you're doing. You should be. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the little notification bell if you want to be aware for when I upload next, which I know I haven't been uploading, but there is some very, very, very exciting news happening very soon, so be on the lookout for that. I'm super excited to announce it. Leave a comment for which product is your favorite out of this month's box, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Alright. Huh? I'm so tired. Okay. Soothe and hydrate your skin while... What is that? Which isn't great. What? So, thank you guys...